If you want actual designer collection for your wedding or any functions, this place is like heaven for you because they've got beautiful collection from very well-known designers that you may be knowing. I'm gonna show you section wise. जिसके अंदर लहंगास पण છે, જેની અંદર ઇન્ડો વેસ્ટર્ન છે, for your cocktails, for your Bollywood nights, for your haldi, mehndi, any particular theme you have, any carnival you have, any particular design you have, all things covered under one roof. This is our Haute Couture is at B More on Sindhu Bhavan Road, exit opposite to AMC multi-level parking, and you will find all the details and caption now. If you are wedding at home, if you are a bride to be, if you are anyone who just loves shopping something designer, this place is for you to check collection. Swipe left.
This one is Basanti's whole entire wardrobes. These two.
Can you pick and show some?
Yeah.
This is Mahima Mahajan, and they have really beautiful collection, colorful. If you want to go
Yeah.
with something colorful for your carnival looks, or for your haldi, if you want to go with these kind of collection, pool parties if you are hosting, then yes, this can be your best
Very
look.
beautiful follow. Few sari collections we do have. I'll show you. One with a nice fringes blouse and all. It's very beautiful.
Beautiful. I'll show you detailing of a few.
Yeah.
Look at that.
See these saris.
Very pretty.
Ashik Patel. This is multi-designer store. We do have lots of collection for the wedding, for the normal days, and for the ciders especially. And we are totally new with the new designs, new concept, new segments, new articles, new everything you can see at my store. Look at this work. How beautiful it is defined for the new group.
Right to be.
This is one of the best collection what we have. It's a black corset sari. We do have with the long sleeves and a work article on it. It is very beautiful after wearing the gatherings and all. So this is for the. This will go with your Bollywood nights, carnival, sangeet, and very amazing look. Again, this one is a two dupatta concept with this fabric gold, which is very trendy in this 2025 and 26. All celebrities and all the Bollywood stars are wearing these kind of a products. And this one with the mirror work, with the Jardozi work, all hand works in there. And we are coming up with the two. This is a grey and gold color, and for the new people. And this is with the corset, which is tremendously in. We can customize each and every piece. Will get customized with a beautiful flowy draped sarees with panels. I'll show you with the panel cuts and all. This is very different.
Nice.
Jacket piece.
Look at the detail of the work.
So we do have a cut works and the gowns, all the pastel colors. This.
Wow, it's pretty.
That's all. And these two.
Look at that. If you want to go in something traditional, something not traditional, thoda trendy.
Indo-Western folk.
And once again. Right, so that was about this section. Now we'll move forward. Section, what are we showing?
The gown, fully Indo-Western, fully the cut work and everything I can show you. See the detailings of this work.
Very pretty. So in this section they have dark color. So if you have preference of that,
purple.
so in up an option, sure. Right.
We do have this kind of draped sari.
Drape sari with jacket.
Yeah.
Some Indo-Western corset type.
Yeah. We do have peplum tops and dresses. That's all. Corset. You can wear for the parties and all. This is again one of the best one. And we do have a simple outfits to wear for a daily wears. Something like this. Oh, we have very nice green color.
Wow.
Wow. My favorite all time. And look at this. This is also very pretty piece.
Nice.
Two
Very pretty.
gowns are heavy gowns like you can wear for the parties. This is very beautiful with two different work on it. Then we do have these cutwork gowns. We do have this long dresses, this type of a gowns. This is all lehenga, very light to wear. Very light to wear.
A beautiful variety if you want to go in something traditional.
These all are lehengas.
થોડું ટ્રેડિશનલ્સમાં જવું છે, થોડું આપણને પાર્ટી વેર ટાઈપ જોઈએ છે, સમથિંગ વેરી બેલેન્સ્ડ. સો યસ, લુક એટ ધેટ. It's kind of draped too once again. Very pretty. So they got all colors included. And this is a section of lehengas and long gowns.
Like when we wear on your haldi and mehendi and sangeet, this is very new concept.
That's with a small jacket as well.
And that's draped sarees. This entire look, it's the nice work on it. And something like the flowy gown.
Very
It's
pretty.
again very pretty with the asymmetrical. And we can give you very simple and very elegant after wearing this with this chokers for the bride moms and all. And we do have a suits like this. And we do have a lots of right, very red black color, one of my favorite. It's look very amazing after wearing. Okay, this we have very beautiful concept with the heavy work on it. The light pointers. Nice cut work.
Again, beautiful Indo-Western if you want to go with. The whole section is dedicated for red. After wedding, a bride wants to wear something in red color but don't want to go in typical looks.
Typical looks, yeah.
Then they have these options.
And this one is one of the green.
Nice. It has a dhoti kind of bottom.
Yeah.